Right, I don't just have an interest in CCTV. I also have an interest in computers and PC building. And I've decided, as my current computer is approaching 5 years old, that I will build a new computer over the next few weeks. The first of the items for that new build has arrived. There we have an Intel i5 Core 4670K processor, which can be clocked. Also have I think that's a Corsair CX600 PSU, 600 watts. So anyway, there's the first two items. It's just arrived. I'm waiting on the rest of the equipment coming, and hopefully over the next week or so I'm going to build a PC, and of course